Hey everyone, I am happy to announce that tomorrow, Saturday, August 1st, I will be live on Facebook at My Little Scrapbook Store. And if you just go into Facebook and you search for at My Little Scrapbook Store, you will find the shop and you will find the links. So yeah, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I've also included in the beginning of this video a list of all the challenges. It's going to be an awesome crop. So if you have nothing to do tomorrow, jump on in and there's going to be prizes and all kinds of fun stuff. So here's a small haul video from My Little Scrapbook Store. I ordered some of these tonic refills, which is my go-to glue right now. It's by Tonic Studios and it's called Funky Tape Runner. My Little Scrapbook Store carries the refills as well as the dispenser. They're pretty affordable. The refills are only $1.99, and I can get a couple layouts using it, and it really is a really great permanent adhesive. And really, there's very little waste because that little dispenser is tiny. So the next thing I'm going to show you is, and try saying this, a few times fast. Oh, actually, no, wrong thing. Is the Jen Hadfield Gold Glitter Spray and the Tim Holtz Speckled Egg. And here's what I love about My Little Scrapbook Store. You see that both these wet items are in a plastic bag, but she also puts your order inside this bag. Everything is bagged and then it's in a bag. So you don't have to worry about anything getting wet if it rains and your package is left outside, which has happened to me many times because it's very well protected. So this is the Distress Oxide Speckled Egg, which is Tim Holtz's newest color. I believe he's starting to release new colors, which he hasn't done in a while. The Jen Hadfield Gold Glitter Spray. I love gold glitter spray. I usually use the Heidi Swap Color Shine, but it has been discontinued, and my friend T found a couple bottles in a Tuesday morning store, and that's all I have. So I figured I would start trying the Jen Hadfield and see how I feel about that before I run out of my Heidi Swap. And then here is, and try saying this 100 times really quick, my Happy Scrappy bag from My Little Scrapbook Store, and it is the Pink Fresh Let's Stay Home collection. So these are the papers. It's a 12 by 12 paper pack. There's 16 double-sided papers. So you're basically getting 8, no. I don't remember. I think it's 8 designs. 8 designs double-sided. So I did not buy anything that was COVID related or stay at home or anything like that because I just mentally couldn't. My mom passed away of COVID in late April, and I knew even before she got ill that I wanted to document everything that was going on back in March, April in New Jersey when it all started. But things started happening, and my mom passed away, and it was just it was too much. And so luckily Michelle still had one of these. I messaged her and asking her for it, and luckily she had one, so I was able to pick one up. And now I haven't started yet, but I'm going to try to document some of what we were going through during COVID, because I think it's important to put all these things down because future generations, grandkids will be able to see what life was like. This paper I love. This one says, "This is only a passing thing. A new day will come, and when the sun shines, it will shine much greater." And I, at the moment, back in April, I found that very hard to believe, but yeah, it's true. It does shine much greater, and um, this collection has so many awesome papers. Like this one right here, I could see me backing a cut file with this because it has such great, colors and, oop, yeah. So we get 2 of each paper, and I absolutely love this heart paper too. I already have things going in my head of what's going to be going on with that. And it also comes with this cut apart, which is has a lot of really fun things. Love these days. Baking together, which I really didn't bake with anybody, but I did do some baking. Read more books. I don't think I read any books, but I did watch a lot of Netflix. So I'm sure there's one in there that says streaming now or something like that. So yeah. And the back is a really nice pattern. So I definitely know that this paper will be used. All these papers will be used, actually. And this paper has all these, like, the toughest of times, which I can't even, I don't even need to tell you. It was some of the toughest times. Better things are, I think it said better things are coming. And it has this really cool scallop, which also I have plenty of ideas. So these are also, these are like the second set of papers. I had separated them for a project. Then also here is this tag and envelope like set. It's like a journaling kit or journaling bits rather, and then you have these cardstock stickers, and it had really fun ones that I'm looking forward to using. I would go out, but I'm already in my PJs. It was probably the whole entire month of April. And so yeah, so that has a really fun chipboard stickers. And then the next thing I'm going to show you, actually I think this has more on the back. I'm not 100%. Oh, yes, it does. So it has all the little word strips. So definitely have plenty of options to use there. Then I have the Puffy Stickers, and it has indoorsy type and like a music note and the Stay Home Club, which, that was part of Jersey's. We were ordered to stay home, so it was a little different. Never like actually lived through something like that. Then I also have the Enamel Dots that match this collection. At this point I thought that was it, but I didn't realize that there was other pieces stuck under a couple pieces of paper, which I'm going to find right about now, which is these, and I will be going back to the other stuff that's on my desk. These are like little circles, and these are fabric bows, and these are also ephemera for this stay-at-home collection. So there's a lot of stuff in this Happy Scrappy bag. So you can always find them at my little scrapbook store. If you don't see them in the shop, you can message Michelle, and if she still has them, she will definitely send it over to you. Now, Michelle sent me little free gift, and these are 2 sheets of paper, and I absolutely love that rainbow paper. I have no idea what I'm doing with it, but something's happening. So that's the back side of the rainbow paper, and has a cute little flamingo and the sandals, and then this cut apart, which, Life is Tough, Go on Vacation, which we're not doing this year, but I really like the pineapple, and so many fun the parrot or cockatoo. I don't know what it is, but whatever. And then this green and pink, very tropical feeling paper. So if you've never gone to my little scrapbook store, check them out. Oh, also, these enamel dots also match this paper, which is by Echo Park. Going back to my little scrapbook store, check them out. This Saturday, they're having an all-day crop. Come on over, have some fun. There's going to be prizes. There's going to be a lot of fun challenges. If you stay to the end of this video, you're going to see links to other videos. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you will like and subscribe to my channel, like my video, leave me a comment. And if you have never heard of my little scrapbook store, let me know. Have a great day.